Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to know you always come to watch my videos on my channel. I appreciate it a lot. For those who are new here, consider subscribing. So to cut the long story short, today I went repairing my mobile phone at the Ancien troisieme section of Marche CONGO in Douala, Cameroon's economic capital. It is located at the Douala 2 municipality around the New Bell neighborhood, for those who don't know where Marche CONGO is. So but it should be noted, going there is not a bed of roses. To access the market, it is engulfed in dense, tight, chaotic traffic. So brace yourself each time you want to go there for any transaction. So here are some of the things as I went to the market, and I wish to share with you some of the things that you should watch out for or you should expect each time you go to Ancien troisieme to do any transaction. But first of all, before we are there, ladies and gentlemen, you should expect there at the Ancien troisieme, the section in Marche CONGO, you can easily repair your mobile phone. All right, it is a hotspot for that. Equally, you can auction your gadgets, your telephone, easily there. So you can either liquidate it, that's you auction it for a giveaway price, or you can add some money to the gadget. If it's a phone, you can add some money. Say you want to exchange it for a better second-hand phone or for a better grade, you add some money and you bargain, and you can easily get a better gadget. So that's what you can easily do around at the Ancien troisieme section of Marche CONGO in Douala. That aside, here are the don'ts. These are the things you should watch out for at Marche CONGO. So the first thing you want to watch out for, or you should never dare doing, is to carry your bag. Is to carry your bag behind you like this. Never you try that, ladies and gentlemen, at Ancien troisieme. Never you carry your bag behind like this. I advise you to carry it like this. All right, you carry your bag in front. You carry your bag in front of you and not behind. So you carry it behind is at your own risk. Those guys will smartly open your bag without you feeling a thing, and all of your valuables, forget about it. They'll steal it. Don't try carrying your bag behind. Carry it in front. That's the tip number one. Tip number two. In the same regard, don't carry your phone like while you're walking at Ancien troisieme, holding it, walking freely with it, carrying your phone. No, don't do that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that at Ancien troisieme. You don't want to do that. Put your phone in your pocket. All right? Put your phone in your pocket. Any valuables, put it in your pocket. In your front pocket, not behind. You put it behind, those smart pickpockets will just grab your phone and they'll disappear into thin air. While I was there, it happens all the time. Number three, once you buy something secondhand, there are thieves around. They move around with bad gadgets. What they do is they just change the casing. So make sure you do all of the tests in front of them before taking it home. Number four, so while scouting on where to carry out your transaction, if possible, stick to at least one vendor. They know there's always a nearby thief. They know those who are new, those who are desperate. They study every move. So by the time you start jumping from one vendor to the next vendor, you just invite a thief to rob you. If you do that, you'll easily be robbed. So don't try it. Stick to at least one vendor. Number five, while you are at Ancien troisieme for any transaction, it is a tough area, I bet you. It is not where you go and show off. In this regard, dress simple. You are not going for a beauty pageant show. Dress smart. So I was told Ancien troisieme in Marche CONGO becomes black market by say midnight, around midnight, it is the time when most of the gadgets that are stolen around Douala are sold at the market. So there's a likely tendency that your stolen gadget may end up in Marche CONGO at Ancien, troisieme. So ladies and gentlemen, each time you go to Marche CONGO at the Ancien, troisieme section of the market, shine your eyes, be wise and be vigilant. Despite the odds, Ancien troisieme remains a veritable hotspot where you can buy durable products, original gadgets, be it phones, laptops, electronic gadgets. With that, I've come to the end of this video. Those are some of the things I thought I should share with you after my visit today at the Ancien troisieme section of Marche CONGO. I hope this video makes sense and is going to serve you where and when necessary. I could not carry my camera vlogging, around the Ancien troisieme section of Marche CONGO. As you just heard, it's quite a tough and risky place to do that. Otherwise, my gadget could have been stolen. So thank you very much for all of you who have been watching my videos, and those who are new here, consider subscribing. I can't wait to share with you the next video I'm already working on, as usual, with the same positive energy. Take care.